Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to create a new blank page in Word. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. To add a new blank page to your document, you can repeatedly press the Enter key and slide the text to add a blank page. This is a common manual method that is not very convenient. It's better to use the Insert function and insert a blank page in the right place of the document. For example, we put the cursor at the beginning of the page and then go to the Insert tab and click Blank Page. If you need to get a blank page between the pages, then place the cursor at the beginning of the second page and click the Blank Page button, and so on at any point of your document. Remember that Microsoft Word always inserts a blank page after the place where you set the cursor. And as a bonus, I suggest you use a keyboard shortcut to insert a new page. Place the cursor at the beginning of any page and press the Ctrl-Enter keys as many times as you need to add new pages. It's all. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.